I'm scared. That's it. I'm just scared. I was asked to talk about my most important moments from these past 3 weeks. The main thing I remembered was fear. And I've done this before, but this time is different. Every time is different. I recognize the faces and I feel comfortable, but still scared to open up. For me, I logically know I shouldn't be scared or have any fear because, come on, I've done this before. And I love what I'm doing. But each time that fear's there, I went through this practically month panicking before every day because I didn't know if I was ready for what that day held. Fear of the unknown. But what's funny is that even if I knew what to expect, I'm still scared. I'll shake and overthink until I get there, and then I'm fine. Imagine me being fine. I'm never fine. But I make it seem like I am. I read the monologue, I dance with a partner, a friend, who knew what I was thinking before I was, and it was fun. It made me feel happy. I went through the motions so I could just get by, only because I was scared to go any further. So my most important moment was learning how to take that risk and make it. I have my good days and my bad days. I have days where all I want to do is hang out with friends and have fun. I love those days. I love the days when it feels like that one little part of my brain that hates me and everything I do shuts off. But I have my fair share of days when I sit in my room, alone, shaking, crying, not wanting to interact with anyone.
Relinquish control only to comfort life. Fun is merely a superfluous spice of experience. Being becomes defined by refined contemplation. Much can be regained consolation. Troubled thoughts shall be slain. Confrontation neglected.
You see this?
It's insane.
How do you think?
Possible.
That blue apron variety is all.
No one can put Maggie together.
Whatever's happening now might be exactly what they intended. The government spent a decade secretly inventing a way to get rid of themselves.
Maybe they're not really gone.
They completed their plan.
Whatever it was.
You have to figure out what they're doing.
That miss in the village was killing me.
Couldn't move or breathe.
I swear it did something to my head.
I felt it too, like my mind was being balled up like Play-Doh.
I've never felt anything like that before.
I felt like I was being torn to pieces inside my head. Confusion. stake into the mulch. The bushes exploded with a glowing orange flame. He scrambled through the twigs of the thicket. The ugly faces. He preached the gospel before this very altar.
Made you low before this very altar.
Not
Until
I dare to rise.
Mark my
Lord's going to work with him in a mighty way.
Father Johnny is mighty faithful.
He would cry aloud and raise his voice.
Like a trumpet of Zion.
Spare not. Despite the shy gratitude John meant to convey,
It did not.
even malicious.
A smile. That gradual decline of my work. Anthology series were my favorite, but they start to dissipate and brush against my past mistakes, using the empty space flowing into nothingness.
Gradual anthology dissonance. Rushed musings. Possible. A carcass deprived of reality.
Do I accept or decline? I want to know what is mine. You keep on evolving. But what's the point when I can't find my own personality, half of the time? When clearly my spirits are fine. But when I feel my stars align, I cannot help but feel in line, torn between what is and what isn't.
Security fails to recognize your face. Humidity burns from the burning desire to grow. Instead encases you in a state of discomfort. Peace becomes unrecognizable. A lost friend. Alone is a state you must embrace. Thinking becomes your only means of escape.